So since I first talked about them in mid-June, uranium and uranium stocks have exploded in nature, up 25% over the last week alone. The reason, of course, is because the market is coming to the realization that nuclear power, instead of going away, could actually be the very necessary component to decarbonize the global economy. If you make the assumption, which is a very reasonable assumption, that within 10 years, 25 to maybe perhaps even 50% of all vehicles on the road are going to be electric, and make no doubt about it, electric vehicles are definitely going to be the future, not just because they are non-polluting, but because the advancements in batteries and the investments in technology and production are going to make them less expensive, both on an initial purchase basis and, much more importantly, on a total cost of ownership basis. Electric vehicles require absolutely no maintenance and therefore are going to become a far more superior product than the ICE vehicles we currently drive. So if you make that assumption that basically the world is going to electrify and is going to need to decarbonize, it's almost impossible to have that policy goal without really allowing nuclear power to become a complete component of the energy package. And that is why the uranium shares are starting to really skyrocket at this point. It's a tiny little market, only about 180 million pounds per year. So very small upward tick in demand could really create a massive squeeze. And that's exactly what's happening right now. There's a new trust called the SRUUF Uranium Unit Trust, which has been funded to the tune of $1 billion. And it's been going out there and buying uranium spot prices all the way through the month of August. That's what's created this huge demand as the price of the metal has spiked. Now, there are many investors that we talked about in our earlier piece that suggest that this is the trade of a lifetime. And for now, it certainly continues to